Hi guys, today we're looking into this Apexel 36X telephoto lens kit for smartphone. So this is not just one of these 5X, 10X, something like that, which we usually see. This is a whopping 36X. That's absolutely awesome. And it comes as a full kit, means with the mount for the smartphone and also with a tripod. So everything what you need for perfect shooting in the night, for the stars, for the moon, also for sport events or nature. So we can now see all the details, everything what you have been dreaming of. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what to get and then how to use it. And so you have the box here with some more description, also the detailed specs here in the back. So let's open. The instructions come with very detailed information about the lens kit. Get even cleaning towel. And so here you have the lens nicely protected. And here we get the mount and the tripod. A really nice solid metal tripod with everything. And so here we have the lens, also very solid, heavy, not just plastic, with a large lens in the front. And here this opening in the back. The lens has a very easy to use focus ring. And in the back we have the choice of either using this silicone eye cup. We just push it here on top. And so we can use it without the cell phone, just with normal eyes. It helps already a lot. But if you want to use it with the smartphone, we remove this. And so we are using this bracket. Really nice construction, I would say. Pretty high. Can be extended very wide. And so we mount the bracket on top of the cell phone. Make sure that it's straight, has a good grip. What I really like is that it sits on the very top. It doesn't affect my buttons here, so the phone stays fully functional. So we have to align this with the main camera. I think it's on the right height. And then we have to center the main camera within this hole, so everything is still straight. So we can double check here with the camera. You can see everything is still working absolutely perfect. If your phone has a large camera bump, you can use one of these paddings to make everything straight. And then we screw in the telephoto lens in front. Super easy, takes just 2 seconds. The phone mount has already its own standard 1/4 inch tripod adapter, so we could use it directly here, attach the tripod here. But as an alternate solution, we can also use this ring here to secure it. Just slide it over the telephoto lens and after that secure it here on the phone mount. And now we can secure it here to the tripod. And like that, the weight is much better centered. And so this is how we have it at the very end. You can see everything is really solid. This is one of the best phone mounts I've ever seen for a telephoto lens, or probably the best one. Really solid construction, so we can just click on the camera and start shooting the image or video. Of course, the focus has been adjusted roughly, but also the phone can do a lot, and you can even use zoom in and zoom out on the phone. And so you can leave it always like that, and when you want to use it, just snap in your phone and you're ready to go. And of course, you can also use your phone in a landscape position to make nice videos and photos. And so here I'm outside. Everything makes a really good impression, really solid, very easy to use. So I can just point it towards what I want to see. So I hope you can see what I'm doing here. On the top you can see this very small rabbit here from the solar light. It's barely visible. I hope it's focusing, but it's super far away. And when we go down, you can see how close this is. And with the zoom, the additional zoom of the phone, I can go even closer. And you can see how stable this is. There's absolutely no shaking, there's no moving. And it is so far away. This is really, really amazing. And of course, I've also been doing a comparison between this camera quality and my normal phone camera quality, which also has a 3x zoom built in, but there's no way I can get anything close to this quality which we have with this telephoto lens. So from what I've seen, a really super solid construction. Doesn't get any better than that. We have all these adjustment possibilities, and we have everywhere this soft rubber where we should have it. Also here in front of the camera, soft rubber, very smooth so it doesn't scratch your camera. Also these brackets here. And the whole construction also very solid, it's not moving at all. Also the tripod comes in a very decent quality. So everything makes a very good impression, really good quality lens. So I can give you full recommendation and so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.